Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the learning template and explore its contents. To install learning, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can surface any assigned learning and personalised content for your users to improve completion rates. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the learning model. This model has been pre-configured with properties to store data on training courses, like title, description, and start date. The template also adds Person Learning. This has been pre-configured to store data to enroll an employee on a learning course. Head to the Workflows tab of Person Learning and you will find a workflow attached. This has been configured to show an overdue chip when assigned learning hasn't been completed by the due date. Now check out the Pages section to find more new content. Locate and select the Learning Catalogue page. This contains a list block for your learning items. Select Assigned Learning. This will take you to the Assigned Learning page. This page contains a list block of employee assigned learning. From this page, you can get back to the Learning Catalogue by selecting Setup Learning. You can assign learning directly from this page by selecting Assign Learning. This will open the Assign Learning page in a modal window. Select an item from the page list block to view and edit its details. Back on the Learning Catalogue page, select Publish New to add a new learning item. This will open the learning item page in a modal window. Alternatively, you can import external learning content using Applaud integrations. Learn how to do this by checking out the Integrations section of our knowledge base. Now head to the Learning page. The Alert, FAQs, Knowledge Articles and Useful Links list blocks contain filters to only display items with the learning and development criteria. The Completed Courses page shows a record of an employee's completed courses. This page opens in a modal window when you select the View Completed button on the Learning page. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.